Because retribution is a distortion of justice. Retribution is simply the fruit of an earlier injustice. I suggest that a retributive understanding of justice is too small because it only focuses on the moment of injustice. It is a finite, punishing approach to sin that condemns for eternity. Conversely, Jesus on the cross revealed God perfectly as reconciling love, which is measureless and timeless, and so reconciling love is the ultimate time traveler. He exists in every moment all at once. Therefore, his justice spans the entirety of our days as well as everything before and everything after. And here's the point. You see, bullies have been bullied, oppressors have been oppressed, and Hitler had an abusive father. Therefore, God's justice must be expansive enough to restore and reconcile the bullied and the bully, the oppressed and the oppressor, the abused and the abuser, the 5-year-old and the 55-year-old, because over the course of time, it's the same person. If justice isn't about restoration, it isn't justice, it's revenge. And while most of the world is obsessed with that Tarantino flick, and while much of the Western church seems devoted to that atonement theory, retributive justice is nothing like Jesus. The fact is, since before the beginning and after the end, God has always been and will always be like Jesus. There is no love that is greater.